Hi guys! Today I am playing Roblox. Roblox just kicked me out. I have a new account. And I did make a video that was 56 minutes. Did a lot of progress in it. And that was with my other account. And that was today. It got corrupted. So now I'm making another video today. But that progress didn't even matter. Roblox kicked me out. I went from Cool Whip to Darkness 10 to Darkness 11 to Darkness 12, and now I'm Darkness 13. What game should we play? I'm going to play a story game. And actually, which story game, you may ask? Camping story game. And hopefully, I have enough time to play camping, because I am on a time limit of my YouTube video. On a time limit of like 11 minutes. How long will this take? I've seen YouTubers, it take like 20 minutes. And they even skip some parts. I don't know how to edit, so I can't skip some parts. The last time I tried to skip some parts, the video got really laggy. Let's go on a camping trip. Nothing can go wrong, right? No, all of you know something's gonna go wrong. And he looks like the Beast. Sorry, did I give something away? No, I didn't. Unless you've seen this before. Obviously, you've seen camping before. If you play Roblox, you probably have, and you've probably seen YouTubers play it. If you haven't, I won't give any information. Welcome to Specky Woods. Today, and your friends will have an amazing time exploring the wonders of the forest. Oh wait, I need to get somewhere. I need to get like medical supplies and a flashlight and something. Sorry if I'm not reading it. You can read it yourself. I want to find something to collect. He's probably doing the same thing. Honestly, I'm kind of angry right now. First, my video gets corrupted that I did like an hour long, and then Roblox kicks me out. How can this day get any worse? And we even got super lucky in the video I did. Unlike last video, if you watched it, it got super unlucky. Just what to do now? What to do? I can look around. I know there's a story somewhere. I'll read it all to you. Is it right there? Yeah. Let me go into first person. Get my reading voice on. Oh my word. Camping trip gone wrong. A family of 5 went camping in the local campgrounds and were reported missing. After not returning for a prolonged time, 4 of the family members were found and confirmed dead. But their son is still missing. The murderer, Zach Nolan, has been caught. His sentence is being decided. I'd kill him. Sorry, is that harsh? But after what he did to that poor family, it's sad, really. Night is approaching. Why are we... I'm getting drowsy. Oh. Sit back, relax, and tell stories by the fire. Wait, what was that dark scene for? I thought I was getting just tired. Once upon a time you died. Guys, I'm recording a video for... Guys, I'm recording a vid for YouTube. Guys, I'm recording a vid for YouTube. Where's the s'mores? Who cares where the s'mores are? I don't know, I'm going to the cave. Well, what's that thing? I don't know, I'm going to the cave. Run! It's beginning to rain. Return to the tents or seek shelter elsewhere. Wait, guys! Oh my word. Someone's gonna have to go back and get the picnic basket for food. I'm not. I don't want to die in this YouTube video. I mean, I'm about to have dinner soon. And so I'm about to end the so I might have to end the video soon. And what the heck? I cannot move my camera. My camera's stuck. Anything I do, if I scroll out, I zoom in. Wait, what? Thanks. Whoa! What was that? Sun is rising. Oh wait, no, we don't need to get the picnic basket. The heck am I saying? What the heck? Honestly, I don't know what to think for this YouTube video any longer. You cannot fit in one tent. You'll need to take shelter in the cave tonight. Why? What happened to the other camp? Oh, did it get destroyed? Oh, yeah, it did. I can't see text like this. Wait, yeah, I can. I just saw text. No, I'm going to the cave. I'm about to have dinner. I can hear the forks getting set up. I'm in the cave. I'm in the cave. I'm in the cave, guys.
You're what? What'd you say?
YouTube it, Mom. YouTube it. Okay, so we're in the cave because that's what the game said. That's where we're gonna have to take shelter. What the heck? I can't get out of that. My game's frozen. Shoot, I froze my thing. Oh my word. This. I can't do anything. Hello? Wait, what? Oh. Hey, look. I can zoom in and out, and I'm a normal person now in Roblox. Whoa, what's happening with my cam? Again? No, okay? Night is approaching. I'm already in the cave, silly. Honestly, I might want to do this in first person. Should I? In the cave. You decide to stay in the cave tonight. There's not enough room in one tent. Yeah, then we already say that. I don't know. Okay. So, you can't go out. Someone's gonna have to go out. I'm not risking my life. I don't want to die in this YouTube video. Suddenly, you realize you forgot the picnic basket. That's what happens every time in this story at the campsite. You must send someone or assemble a team to return the picnic basket. Can't we just skip food for one day? It's raining outside. Acid rain, it hurts you. Who's going out? I send... Not it. Not it. He will go. If he dies, I want 1 like for 1 rip. It's acid rain, and if he comes back alive, clap for him. Props for him. Congratulations for him. Is he coming back? Dude, are you coming?
You see what's coming or no?
If I can work the powering of editing, you guys will not hear what was just said. Is he coming back? He died. Send someone else. You go. I go? Fine, I'll go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. 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 I'm here. I'm gonna inside the tent. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video here. Please like and subscribe. I died. I died. Let me leave the game. That was camping. They sent me out to die. And I died. That's what happened to the last dude. Well, now what do we do? I guess I end the video here because we died. I'm not a YouTuber with Robux that just revives himself. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Of course, we lost. But as I said, the video that got corrupted last time was way more interesting. Way more interesting. It was much longer too. So blame the corrupted video if you want to blame something. Bye. Hope you liked it. See you next video. Oh my word. People can see this. Can the video not end, please? Please end the video. What's happening? I can't end the video. Guys, I can't end the video. The heck? I can't end the video. Oh, no. My iPad is frozen. I had to turn it off and turn it back on.